Repeat this, and you will always have abundance and prosperity in your life. Get ready for an eye-opening journey, because today, I'm unveiling 2 affirmations that can truly change the game. Picture this. A decade ago, I was financially drained, no cash whatsoever. But guess what? I cracked the code, and now I'm about to share some incredible insights with you. Back in the day, I was deeply immersed in metaphysics when I was just starting out. Trust me, I understand that phase when the bank account isn't playing nice. I was pushing 30, pockets empty, and desperate for a change. Maybe you're in a similar situation right now, feeling the weight of economic challenges. Well, here's the deal. I cracked the code, and I'm about to share it with you through 2 affirmations that I started repeating like a mantra. I'm talking about a fervent, repeat it till you make it, kind of faith, and guess what? Miracles started manifesting left and right. Not some cosmic accident, but the creation of miracles in the realm of cold, hard cash. So, buckle up, because we're delving into wealth, success, and prosperity on a whole new level. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Stick around, because I want you to absorb every bit of this. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing insights. Now, let's talk about the remarkable individual, Saint Germaine. He's no ordinary character when you explore literature and biographies. There's no record of him bidding farewell, similar to ancient legends like Enoch or Hermes Trismegistus. No deaths, just ascensions. Count Master St. Germaine was a wise sage, an alchemist weaving magic into reality. Picture this. With Casanova around, he did something incredible with a coin. Casanova, unsure, got a reality check. Doubt didn't belong in the presence of greatness. The Count Master St. Germaine was more than a wise guy. He was a teacher of deep wisdom. A while back, we found his teachings in books like the Book of Gold and the Book of Flames. It's a complex philosophy, requiring advanced metaphysical understanding to delve into. Some may see it as a story, but let me tell you, it's way more than that. This wisdom is so real that even the smartest scientists would be puzzled if they grasped it. Saint Germaine talked about the principle of mentalism, a solution to any darkness trying to sneak into our world. Imagine a world where diseases, poverty, and wars are just stepping stones to something greater, both collectively and individually. Now, let me share a powerful insight from Count Master St. Germaine about the magic of words, especially the transformative, I am. He believed that every time someone uttered those words and truly embraced what followed, the universe stood at attention. I am holds a magical force that resonates across ancient cultures. The Bible continually emphasizes the profound impact of words. Think about it. In Genesis, God spoke, "Let there be light," shaping the world step by step. The Gospel of John echoes this sentiment, stating, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." Words then aren't just communication. They manifest in our reality, making them incredibly potent. Consider how Jesus, a great metaphysical master, transformed from Jesus the man to Jesus the Christ by affirming, "I am the resurrection and the life." He tapped into his inner Christ, suggesting that the transformative power of I am isn't exclusive to divine beings but a path accessible to us all. Let's bring it closer to home. Imagine facing a moment in your life when you felt lost, lacking purpose, and directionless. It's a tough spot, and if you've been there, you know the struggle. Reading Count Master Street Germaine's insights, I found myself in a tight situation, desperate for a change. The idea of not knowing your life's purpose and navigating obstacles without clarity is challenging. Here's where it gets interesting. I encourage you to grab a pen and paper for this next part. When I started making these affirmations, they resonated profoundly within me. The first decree, born out of a moment of desperation, altered the course of my life. Picture it, a small font, tight spacing, and there it was, the message I needed, waiting for me to discover it. The affirmation, "I am the wealth of God," means that the wealth of God is descending into my hands and being used in a way that no man can stop. It's a declaration that even in a book that may not explicitly talk about wealth, there are parts that do. I opened that book, and it gave me the first affirmation. Among those 2 pages, the first sentence I read was this affirmation, "I am the wealth of God descending into my hands and usage," meaning that I can use it in this material plane, and nothing and no one can stop it. This was the first affirmation that came to me. For my second affirmation, I couldn't believe it was happening. So I asked the book again to give me something else that I could use, something I didn't believe the phrase was going to tell me. I opened it, and it gave me another phrase, "I am the wealth of God in action." But I'm not stopping at 2. I'll give you a third affirmation because I was in shock. I opened the book again, set the intention, and another affirmation came out. This affirmation has helped me the most, and when you understand its meaning, you'll grasp its power. Let me explain why I believe you are truly unstoppable, and it all ties back to a powerful affirmation. I am the open door that no man can close. What does this mean? It signifies that your path to success is clear and unobstructed. No obstacles, objections, constraints, or sabotage can hinder your journey. You are the wide open door that no human being can shut, granting you the freedom to pursue your goals without interference. When I grasped the depth of this affirmation and began meditating on it, doors literally started opening in my life. But here's the key. You must believe it, rationalize it, and understand its profound meaning. Repeat with me, "I am the wealth of God flowing into my hands, and nothing and no one can stop it." Picture this. You're a channel for the abundance and riches of the Almighty. You become the instrument for that wealth to manifest right here in the material world. Affirmation number 2, "I am the wealth of God in action." What does this mean? It implies that the highest and most incredible richness from the Creator Himself is actively passing through you. You're not just a vessel. You are the driving force bringing that wealth to life in our everyday reality. Now, let's delve into the third affirmation. I am the open door that no one can close. Imagine having a pathway to your dreams with no locks or barriers, wide open, and no human being on this planet can shut it on you. Repeat these affirmations daily, let them sink in, and truly believe in their power. I assure you, my friends, that you will be that open door that no one can close. Your actions will turn into gold, and the riches of God will flow into your hands for you to use. Trust me, no one can stand in your way when you fully embrace this truth. You become an unstoppable force. No door can slam shut because you are the wealth of God in action. It's like a cosmic collaboration, God acting through you, and the riches pouring down for you to use, right here, right now. If you resonate with the energy of this message, share this video with those ready to embrace this universal truth. Understanding and applying it will bring incredible changes into your life. I get it. It might sound too good to be true. I had my doubts too. That's why I repeated it 3 times. Not because of the book, but because of my soul's message. It's what gives life to your body, and it's God in action within you. Connecting with the light of your soul is crucial. It's like plugging into the ultimate power source. I don't make a move in my life without tapping into the light of my soul and seeking guidance. It's like having an inner GPS guide my every step. So, my friends, embrace these affirmations, connect with the universe, and let it be your guide, your secret weapon for success in life. And hey, do me a favor, share this with anyone who could use a boost of positivity and transformation. Are you ready to rewrite your financial destiny and effortlessly attract wealth? Dive into the extraordinary revelations about abundance from a rogue NASA scientist. Click the link in the comments below and unlock the secrets to a prosperous future, starting now. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey today. Remember, the power of manifestation lies within the simplicity of 2 profound words: I am. Through the wisdom of Count Master Germaine, we've uncovered affirmations that have the potential to reshape your reality and unlock the doors to abundance, prosperity, and success. As you embark on the practice of repeating these affirmations, envision yourself as the open door that no one can close. Picture the wealth of God flowing into your hands, not as a distant concept, but as a tangible force ready to manifest in your everyday life. You are the conduit, the driving force of this divine wealth in action. These affirmations go beyond mere words. They are keys to unlocking the boundless potential within you. Imagine a life where obstacles dissolve, and your path to success is clear and unobstructed. You are unstoppable, a force of nature guided by the riches of God. So, my friends, embrace these affirmations daily. Let them resonate within you, believe in their transformative power, and watch as your reality begins to shift. Share this message with those seeking positive change, for in spreading this universal truth, you contribute to the collective journey toward prosperity. Always remember, your connection with the light of your soul is your secret weapon for success. It's the ultimate guidance system, your inner GPS leading you toward a life filled with abundance. Share the light, share the affirmations, and let the transformative energy flow through you and those around you. Thank you for being a part of this enlightening experience. May these affirmations be the catalyst for the positive changes you seek. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep manifesting the life you deserve. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more empowering insights. Wishing you abundance and prosperity on your journey ahead. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more empowering insights. Wishing you abundance and prosperity on your journey ahead.